structures is homologous to the wing of a bird. Homologous structures are anatomical features in different species that share a common ancestry even if their functions may differ. In the options we have A. Dorsal fin of a shark. The dorsal fin of a shark is a fin used for the stabilization in water, and it is not derived from the same anatomical structure as the bird's wing, and it is an example for analogous structure, not homologous. So option A is incorrect. Option B, wing of a moth. Wing of a moth and the wing of a bird are analogous, not homologous. Both are used for the same function, so option B is incorrect. Option C, hind limb of rabbit. The hind limb of a rabbit is homologous to the hind limb of other vertebrates, but it is not directly homologous to the wing of a bird, so option C is also incorrect. Option D, the flipper of a whale. The wing of a bird and the flipper of a whale are homologous structures because they both evolved from the same forelimb structure of a common ancestor, even though they serve different function. That is flight in birds and swimming in whales. So both structures share a similar underlying skeletal structure with modifications in shape and function. So the answer is option D.